points. Which mouse click is used to select item? Options are A, B, single click, B, right click, D, drag and drop. Arush A, Samrat B, Arav, Prashant, write your answer. Okay, let's lock option B, single click. B is the correct answer. Second question is for $1,000 points. Which key allows to cancel an operation? Options are A, shift key, B, enter key, C, escape key, D, space bar key. Samrat C, $2,000 points. These keys have special signs and symbols on their. Options are A, number keys, B, symbol key, C, letters keys, D, function keys. Arush A, Arab A,
non-stop.
Samrat Sashank, write your answer. Samrat A, okay, lock option A,
Non-stop.
number key. A is the correct answer. Fourth question is for $3,000 points. This key used with other keys for different purpose. Options are A, tab key, B, shift key, C, backspace key, D, enter key. Samrat B, Yoshna B, Arab B, okay, lock option B, shift key. Shift key is the correct answer. picture. Options are A. Pencil tool, B. Test tool, C. Color picker, D. Fill with color. Samrat D. Arush D. Joshna D. Vaishali Patil D. Arav D. Okay, lock option D. Fill with color. D is the correct answer. Question is for $7,000 points. Which you can do freehand drawing. Options are A. Pencil tool, B. Fill with color, C. Magnifier tool, test tool. Samrat A. Arav A. Joshna D. Sura A. Pragati A. Okay, log option A, pencil tool. Let's see is it correct or not. A is the correct answer. Seventh question is for $10,000 points. Which tool helps you type test with pictures? Options are A. Line tool, B. Pencil tool, C. Test tool, D. Color picker tool. Swara C. Samrat C. Arav C. Unknown. Who is this unknown? C. Okay, lock option C, test tool. Let's see is it correct or not. Test tool is the correct answer. Eighth question is for $20,000 points. Which option helped you to see safe picture in Paint? Options are A. Save, B. Open, C. Save as, D. Print. Joshna C. Arav C. Samrat B. Unknown. Who is this unknown? C. Swara C. Lock option C. Save as. It's B. Print. Ninth question is for $30,000 points. Computer is a dash. Options are A. TV, B. Internet, C. Machine, D. Program. Samrat C. Arav C. Joshna B. Swara C. Unknown C. Joshna C. Okay, let's see whose answer is correct. Log the correct option. C. Machine. Tenth question is for $50,000 points. PC stands for? Options are A. Personal computer, B. Private computer, C. Personal compact, D. None. Samrat A, Arav A, Swara A, Unknown A. Who is this unknown? Write your name. Doshna A. Okay, let's see whose answer is correct. Log the correct option. A personal computer. Eleventh question is for $100,000 points. The brain of the computer is, options are A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Processor, D. Monitor. Doshna C, Samrat C.
बोल सकते हैं क्या?
Swara C, Arav C.
मैम जो अभी आप बोले वो फिर से वो बोल सकते हैं क्या? मैंने सुना नहीं.
The brain of the computer is, options are A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Processor, D. Monitor. Okay, log option C, processor. Processor is the correct answer. Twelfth question is for $250,000 points. Which two are input device? Options are A. Keyboard, monitor, B. Monitor and printer, C. Keyboard, mouse, D. Monitor and mouse. RFC, Samrat C, Swara C. Log option C, keyboard and mouse. C is the correct answer. Thirteenth question is for $500,000 points. Device that display word, videos and pictures on a screen. Options are A. Mouse, B. Keyboard, C. CPU, D. Monitor. Doshna C, Samrat D. Swara C. Arav D. Let's see whose answer is correct. Log the correct option. The monitor. Question is for $1 million points. Which of these is output device? Options are A. Monitor, B. Keyboard, C. Mouse, D. Scanner. Yoshna A, Samrat A, Arav A, Swara A, okay, log option A, monitor. Monitor is the correct answer. Congratulations. Now it's time for lucky draw. Today's winner is Arav Kumar.